think that looks a lot better. I think it does anyways. Them old Napa mud flaps are kind of far gone. They've been run over and ripped off 100 times. But anyways, I welded some D-rings up here. That way I can have something to tie to. I noticed the 31s ain't really had nothing to tie to in the back here. But anyways, I'll post another video tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do a ride along with the that 360, hauling it. I got about a 200-mile trip to haul it. Round trip's about 400. But anyways, I'll see y'all then.